RD, it's very helpful for me. Artificial intelligence boards and dashboards. Remember COVID? I was mayor during COVID and every day I opened the dashboard of the Department of Health on what is happening to the country as far as COVID is concerned. So these are nice words to hear. They sound modern. But for Governor Toto and for all of us here in the Capitol, these are not just buzzwords to make us look good. I remember Carl and Jigger, these are not just buzzwords to make us look good. Kinahanglan natin ini. We need these tools desperately as we formulate policies and programs for the more progress and social justice agenda. As a medical doctor, when I want to know what is happening in a patient, I look at the monitors to check the vital signs. Today, we are turning on the monitor for the province of Iloilo. Gani, welcome natin ang Talandan. Finally, may dashboard na kita na natamdan, a true reference point to see exactly what is happening across our province in real time. As we present the car, centimeter pinpoint, at sa mga pulis, pinpoint dahil ang target, kaya centimeter lang ang error. Di ba? Sa ating PDRRE, this is very important. This is a massive leap in our push for technology-driven governance. While with the technology available now, with GIS, with GPS-enabled cameras, with our cell phones, mabala na natin ang status ng ating mga pinahimo. Right down to the specific barangays, specific projects in farthest barangays. But our journey with technology did not just start today. Ginahampan o kayo na dugay na ng Kalamdan, ginabuhay sa Mario, ginahampan ng Kalamdan. 8 years ago, ang atong Provincial Engineer's Office installed a GPS tracking device sa atong mga dump trucks. Walang mo sa una, sa kay Gov Art Senior, damo balita nga nagapaihi ang drivers natin sa mga dump trucks. So, si Engineer Gani contracted, I think that was smart, in contract niya ang isang company to install tracking devices. Ma-track down mo kung di na nakanto, kung ilang mileage sa atong dump truck. And you can calculate the consumption against the mileage. Pero pamangko, sa PEO, ginagamit pala natin ini. We spent millions for this. So, just to give you a glimpse of data na ara na sa aton, pero halos wala ito ginagamit. So today, Talamdan and the 4K for More Progress dashboard expand that principle to the entire provincial government. However, as we celebrate this milestone, I must also speak to you with candor. Technology is powerful, but it is not magic. May mga gaps paghihapon. Kahapon, I had a meeting since the other day on how we can fast-track transactions here in the capital. At ang among sabi na ginagayahan, ang atong decades-old na EDTS, Electronic Data Tracking System. Is it functioning? No. Damo gaps. Ang report sa aton, sa GSO, there are officers. Wala nila ginatiro para may QR code, may barcode, wala sila ginatiro. So hindi namin ma-track down, kundi ng bottleneck. That should be addressed, card. Ining aton na EDTS should be very functional. Okay, at I'm just giving you the real world situation in the country. Every week, may gina-refer sa akon si Governor ang iyang opisina ng mga letters, demand letters sa aton. 13-year-old na na-deliver ang project, wala pang mabaydan. Diba? Because if we have a functional tracking system, kung kinatanaw natin ining dashboard, makita natin kung hindi ang problema. Just like this mga tawag sila, video lang. CCTV. You can buy hundreds of CCTV. Pero kung wala sa tatanaw nila, hindi man ako ng puslanan. Kaya we always go back to the history kag pangitao natin kung minatako sa atong kusina. So that should be monitored real time. Ako may makita kada suspitsoso nga hulag, makakadto na siya ng mga police aside here. So I'm just citing this figure to emphasize a point. Gawin this dashboard can only be effective kung ginagamit natin. Another